You are going to be deployed to the most important level of the electoral system. That is the polling unit. The polling unit level is the most important level because that is the only place where Nigerians go and vote. So you will handle the register, you will handle the BVAS, you will also handle the result sheets at that level, and you will also be responsible for transmitting the result to the RF portal on election day. So what we are doing here and nationwide is to train you. We have the manual, the physical manual, we have the soft manual online, and then we brought in the BVAS for hands-on training. So all of you will be familiar with this machine so that you are not only seeing it on election day. So if you have areas where you don't understand, please ask questions. When you deploy on election day, the first thing after a voter has been accredited or confirmed is to authenticate using the fingerprint. And this is the window. If the fingerprint doesn't work, and don't just try one finger. Try the thumb, try the index, try the other fingers. If it doesn't work, then you take the picture. There are two cameras on this machine. There is the front camera and there is the back camera. Once the voter is accredited, you will see a green light, and on this window, you will see the number of persons accredited. For instance, this is a demonstration BVAS. It says that there are 38 registered voters, but accredited voters is 0. Once you accredit, the number will be showing. So please pay attention to this. I should also tell you that we are watching you. The moment you pick up this BVAS to configure it, the front camera will take your picture, so we know who is handling the BVAS. So we are also tracking you. Whatever you need to do to these machines, we are watching you at the back end on the same machine. Before you configure, the first thing the machine does using the front camera is to take your picture, so that we know the person who is accrediting voters and who has been assigned to a particular polling unit. Don't assign this machine to any other person. Pay attention to what your trainers are telling you. It's a new school for you. It's a new school. And who will examine you? Nigerians will examine you on election day. INEC will also examine you on election day. So do I have your assurance that you are committed to this process?
Yes, sir.
You are also going to swear to an oath of loyalty and neutrality. I saw mine in yesterday. From the chairman of INEC to the presiding officer at the polling unit level, all of us will swear to an oath. I did mine yesterday as the returning officer for the presidential election. Are you assuring me that you are committed to this process?
Yes, sir.
Are you assuring me that your loyalty is to Nigeria and Nigerians only?
Yes, sir.
INEC is not a political party. You are not agents of any political party. You are agents of an independent electoral commission. Our loyalty and allegiance is to the Nigerian people. Whoever they choose, so be it. It's their own decision. Our responsibility is to be an honest broker and an umpire. Am I guaranteed once again that you will be loyal to these processes?
Yes, sir.
No fear or favor?
Yes, sir.
No affection or ill will?
Yes, sir.
All committed?
Yes, sir.
All charged?
Yes, sir.
All good to go?
Yes, sir.
God bless NYC.